Golf is a game of excitement and a sport played with social spirits. To play golf, you need a precision club and a ball. It becomes a pleasant experience because of lush green grassy surface of the ground and the beauty of trees, shrubs, flora and natural habitat that surrounds a golf course. There are various forms of terrain in between, such as the fairway, rough and hazards. Each hole of a golf course has a tee box and a putting green where the ball is to be actually put in. The club is chosen according to the player's precision of the hole where he wishes to hit the ball. The players hit the ball using various kinds of clubs in order to get the ball into the holes with minimum number of strokes. Playing golf includes the stroke play, where the lowest number of strokes are considered for winning a game. And to bring equity between the players, handicap is given to a player with lesser capability, which can be due to age, experience, and quality of equipment. Golf is a challenging sport which demands great skill and tactics, yet it is a perfect way to relax.